All right, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run page follower ad campaign on Facebook. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, campaigns. Okay, once I click on campaigns, I have the campaigns here. So I'm going to click on create button. Now with the create button, I'm going to choose engagement because I'm looking for what? Page followers. So engagement, click on continue. Then instead of choosing recommended, I always advise you choose manual engagement campaign. So manual engagement, click on it. Now once you click on it, what is going to happen is that you're going to see this here. You're going to change the name. So if it is a product name, you can change it to food or whatever. But because this is for followers, I'm going to type followers or page followers. So now after typing it, over here you come here, leave this like this, don't change it to campaign budget, leave it to add budget. Then make sure you tick this off and then go to next. Now when you go to next, because the first one is going to be a broad ad set or a broad campaign, which means that we are not targeting any interest at that moment. We are only running the ad for Facebook to look for the best people who can resonate with the content we are showing them so that they can become followers or engage with your page and the videos. So I'm going to type broad. Now over here, because I am running the ad for followers and engagement or awareness, I'm going to select on your ad, which means that people will get to watch the video and interact with the post or with the video. So on your ad. But if you were to select message engagement, message destination, it means that you want people to send message to your WhatsApp or your Instagram or your Messenger. But in this case, we are looking for engagement or awareness creation. So on your ad. Now on your ad, you see engagement type. Leave it on video views. We want people to view the videos and engage with the video. Okay. But if you want people to engage with the post, you make it post engagement. But we want video views. We want people to play the video. Then on the performance goal, we want it to be maximize play view or play true play view. Maximize true play view. You leave it like that, and then you come down here. You are not going to select any dynamic creative. No, you leave these two like this, and then when you come here, we are going to make, because it's 5,000 naira per day, we are going to actually set the budget for two ad sets. So one ad set is going to be going for 2,500, and then the second one so for 2,500. So let me put it here, 2,500. Then we also have another one which is going to be for 2,500, which I will do later within the video. Now after that, the second thing is for you to select the date you want the ad to start. So because the ad should start on Monday, or we want the ad to start on Monday, we are going to click on date, and then we select the date for what? Monday, which is 19th. So select the date from Monday. Then we want the ad to always start early in the morning. And what time do we want the ad to start? Early in the morning, which means 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. That is the time that is very good for the ad, because it allows the ad to settle and start engaging with people as they are coming online. And it is able to find the right people for you. So we are going to type 3:30 a.m. 3:30 a.m. Okay. So after that, don't set an end date, because when you're running the ad, you can always switch it off and on anytime you want to continue. If you don't want to continue, you switch it off. So I don't set an end date. Now let's scroll down. Over here, the location is Cote d'Ivoire. We want to have a specific location, so we are going to type Abidjan instead of leaving it broad. So let me type the place again, Abidjan. Okay, so once you type Abidjan, you could see over here we have city. So when you click on it, you're having Abidjan as a city here, and it is giving you 25 miles. 25 miles. And if you look at the map here, it is showing it over here, which means it is covering all these areas. When I zoom it in, you'll be able to see the areas it is covering. So people within those areas will be able to see this ad. We can even lower it, but I think 20 to 25 is okay. So I'll leave it like that because this is the best location, or this is the best radius or distance we want for people to see the ad and engage with it. Now from there, we are going to leave this as well. Then the next thing is we are going to click on show more options. Now over there, what we are going to do is we want to change the age, the minimum age, because we are trying to get people to follow us and engage with us so that in the future they can become customers or clients. We have to start with the age we think can patronize your product. So we are going to start with the age from 24. So 24 years and above can patronize your product, can patronize your food. So we are starting with 24 as the minimum age. And then we scroll down. When you scroll down, you leave the language like this. You don't want to tamper with it. It means that Facebook is going to be showing the ad to people who are French speakers and English speakers as well, and other languages that visit that location, which is Abidjan. Now here you're going to switch to original audience options. So with the original audience options, you are going to click on it, and then you are going to select the third one, further limit to reach of your ad, which means you want to determine how to engage and which people you want to engage. So let's select that one and continue. Once you do that, what will happen is it will give you a set of audience that you can set over here. So over here, we are going to scroll down and see the age. So we want the age from 24 to about 55 is okay. 24 to 55 is okay for food. We can do it to 65 as well, but we want to get people who are actively working so that they can buy. Then from there, we are coming here. We are not touching anything here because we said we are doing broad targeting. We are not touching anything over here. So after that, we go to placement. Okay, we go to placement. Now on the placement, we want to select manual placement. We don't want to select advantage placement. We want to put the video where people can see it. So do we want the video to show on all these places? No. We want the video to show on only Facebook. Okay, only Facebook, so that Facebook will be able to spend our money well and give us a return, which is the engagement and the followers. We don't want, because we don't have an Instagram account, we cannot add the Instagram. We are only showing it on Facebook. So which areas on Facebook are we showing it on? We are showing it here. We are showing it at the marketplace. We are also showing it at the stories, the reels. We are not showing it at WhatsApp status. We are showing it in in-stream ads, and then ads on reels. Yes. Then over here we are going to uncheck all and select it because we don't want people to search for us and find us. We want people to discover us, and we want the people that Facebook think are the real people we are looking for, or are the best customers for us to find us. So we are going to do that over there. So after doing this, the next thing is click on next. Now over here, we are going to name this as PF. PF stands for page follower. So PF. So this is the first ad, PF ad. Okay, PF, page follower ad. So over here, what we are going to do is to select the page. We only have one page here. Okay, so we are going to select the page for the kitchen, Bernard Kitchen, and then when we come here, we are going to uncheck or deselect the multi-advertiser ads because we don't want to compete with other ads. We want us to have a unique experience or unique customer experience. So now, the thing we are going to do is we are not going to create the ad from scratch because you already have a post on the page. We are going to use the posts, the video posts, the image posts you've created to show to people so that it's easy for them to engage and then follow us. So we are going to click on it and go to use existing post. Okay. Now after use existing post, we have to select the post, and then we have all the posts here. Some are videos, some are photos. We are going to start with the videos, so we select the first one, continue. Yeah, so this is the video, this is the video, this is the video, this is the video, this is the video. So we are going to remove any call to action. We don't want a call to action over here. So people are just going to engage us. But if we want people to actually message us, then we can add a call to action button here, maybe WhatsApp message and other things over here. But we don't want those things. So we just want people to engage us. So this is the first ad. This is how it's going to look like on the page. Okay, this is how it's going to look like on the page for people to see. Now, what we are going to do is that we are going to duplicate this ad into 3 ad sets or 4 ad sets. And we are going to replace it with another ad. So I'm going to show you how to duplicate it. Now, for you to duplicate it, you move to your left side. You see these 3 dots over here. Click on it. You see duplicate. Click on duplicate. And then the number here, you're just going to change it to the number of duplicates you want. So we want 3 duplicates. So we click on 3 and we leave it like this. Original campaign. We don't do existing campaign. We don't do new campaign. And then we click on duplicate. And once you duplicate, you see copy, copy, copy on this. We are going to change the copy. So we are going to click on the first one. And then we are going to change copy and we are going to put 1. Or yes, we are going to put 1. We're also going to change this one and put 2 over there. We're also going to change this one and put 3 over there. So we have ad 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we duplicate the whole ad, you'll see that there will be a lot of changes. So now we have to replace these ads that we have here with another one so that you have different posts that are showing at different times of the day to different sets of audience. We don't want to be sharing the same post every time. So we want people to engage in different touch points. So we click on change. Now we are going to scroll down to look for another video to see if we have another video. Okay, here's another video that we have here. We are going to click on it. We're going to continue and it's going to change. So we are going to change. So we've changed it over here. People can see the process, the cooking process over here. So it's a way of engaging with us. So that video 3, now we need another video here. We're going to change PF ad 2. Go to change. We're looking for another video. Okay, we have the video of you showing here. So we are going to change and add you there. So that is video 3. So we have 3 videos so far. Now we are left with the last one. Let's see if we can get another video. If we don't get a video, we can change it with an image or a photo. So let's see. Is there another video? No, there is no video. Okay, over here we have a photo album. Okay, we cannot use a photo for this ad, unfortunately. So it means we are going to delete one of the ads so that we can have 3 ads, because we are supposed to only work with videos. It does not work with pictures because people are supposed to engage. So we are going to have video 1, 2, 3. So we are going to rename this so we can use this. We can call this 1, and then number 3 we can call it we can leave it 2 and then 3. Okay, 2, then this one, the first one will be PDF ad 1. So if you don't understand something, you can ask later. So now, after having this ad, we are going to duplicate the whole ad set and then do another targeting for that ad set so that it can target other audience apart from the broad audience. So what we are going to do is we are going to right click on the broad ad set at the top here. We're going to click on it, not right click on it. So the 3 dots over here, click on it, then duplicate, then you go with what? Duplicate original setup, not with recommended setup. Original. Go to that, and then we have one. We only want to duplicate once the ad set. Yes. So once we duplicate, it will come with all the videos we've done. So you can see that there is a copy here, which is a duplicate of the first one. So we click on the copy, then we change it to what? Food interest, because we want to target people who are interested in what? Food as well. So food interest and then the broad interest. And it is the same location. And you can see that we have the same amount here, 2,500 naira, the same amount over here as well. When you go to the broad, 2,500. When you come to, when you come to, let me go there again and show you. So when you come to the food interest, it's the same thing. Edit. Is the same 2,500. Now over here, the only thing we are going to change here is we are going to do targeting. We are going to come to the detailed targeting here and type the various targeting we want to use. So over here, we are going to type food, okay, because we want to target people who are interested. And we go for interest, not employers, not behavior, interest, food. Then we scroll down and then we click in the box again. You see foodie, okay, you see local food, okay, cuisine, okay, people who are interested, people who like eating, yeah, so local food, yeah. Then we scroll up again, we scroll up a little bit so that we can get more here. So we have chicken, yes. We're going to look at lunch, we're going to look at recipe, breakfast, dinner, meal. So anybody who is interested in anything food, cooking, and then gourmet. Then we are also going to add a few things so that we can, okay, food and wine. Now we are going to add a few things so that we can target these people who are willing to spend more. Okay, so we are going to target high net worth, high net. So high net worth individuals. We're going to target luxury, luxury, luxury lifestyle, luxury goods, luxury. Let's go again. Okay, online shopping, yes. Engaged shoppers. Yes, we have engaged shoppers over here. Then we are also going to target expensive taste. So it's at the top. Then we have luxury resorts. And then we have first class travel. And then we'll have people who like business travel or who take business travel at the top. And then the last one is going to be frequent spelling is not correct, frequent international travelers. Yes, frequent international travelers. So those are the people we are going to target. So you see that the audience is 1 million to 1,500,000. So that is good. And these are the people we are going to target. Okay, these are the people we are going to target. So I don't want to narrow anything. I don't want to do anything. I can save it, but not for now. So once I am done, I'll come here and check if my manual placement is still in place. This is where I want people to see my ad. Yes, they are all in place. So once I am done, the only thing I can do is what? I'll publish. Okay, publish the ad. They'll ask me to pay, then I'll do the payment later. So that is not a problem. Okay, so once you're done, the only thing is what, publish the ad. So this is how you actually create following or page follower or awareness or visibility ads. So I'm going to do the payment later, and the ad should be on the 19th of this month, which is Monday. So if you have any questions or anything that you're not clear with, you can ask after watching the video.